Good day, everyone. I am Arnold Ray Julianes Sahera, student of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges under the College of Computer Studies. During my on-the-job training, I was assigned on Parole and Provision Office, Iriga City, Hall of Justice. The Parole and Probation Administrations, or PPA, is responsible for the supervision and rehabilitation of probationers, parolees, and pardons. My on-the-job training occurred at the Iriga City Parole and Probation Office, ICCPO, in the Hall of Justice. The agency was officially established through Presidential Decree Number 968 in 1976 and began over 200 field offices nationwide. The PPA promotes restorative justice through community-based rehabilitation and supervision programs. During my internship at the Parole and Probation Administration Hall of Justice, Iriga City, I successfully applied the knowledge as a computer science student by spreading the development of a classification risk assessment system, or we call it is CLARIAS, and an automation attendance tracking system using QR code technology Google Sheet integration. This accomplishment include designing and deploying the web-based risk assessment tool that help the office automate the classifications based on a multiple evaluations criteria, significantly reducing manual computations error. And also, I helped creating a fully functional client ID system including the layout design, QR code generation and verification, printing and lamination. And also, the integration with Google Forms for automated logging. And also, I assisting the UI design and the quality assurance testing for the Claria system. Then, I also participating in the system deployment and presenting the final system to the regional director and staff, culminating in formal certificate endorsement and utilization. And during our accomplishment is we create almost 500 IDs from 5 municipalities here in Rinconada such as Buhi, Batu, Balatan, Baaw, and Nabwa. And this is the classification and risk assessment tool, the PDF form we created. And also this is the output of our ID system for the for the client's ID. We cross out their information because it's classified and we are not allowed it to share with you guys. So my learnings, the OGT, I experienced and provided an enriching platform for both technical skills development and professional growth. Gain experience with AppScript, Google Forms, and Sheets integration, and also practice the system debugging, QR code verification, and client-server data synchronizations. And also, I learned to work in a structured government office environment to a formal process and protocols. Enhance my communications and collaboration through interaction with the staff and supervisors. And I developed greater sense of responsibility, discipline, and adaptability, especially when handling repetitive tasks like data entry and ID productions. This internship emphasized me the value of user focus, teamwork, and continuous learning and delivering impactful solution. Overall, my audit journey was a transformative experience that bridged my learnings with the real world applications. Through the challenges and accomplishments I encountered, I grew not only as a student but as a professional. This internship provided me with a first-hand understanding of how technology can support public service. More than that, I value the growth in character, patience, and teamwork. Presenting the final system and seeing it deployed into actual use was a proud moment that reinforced my confidence, and I leave this experience with renewed motivation to pursue further opportunities and technology driven public offices and to face professional challenges ahead. This is our team. Thank you.